This lying, cheating, corrupt, incompetent Tory Prime Minister who had parties in the middle of a global pandemic in lockdown when no one was allowed. You got £10,000 fine. You met someone in a park. They were having parties. They was having raves, karaoke, vomit up the wall, fucking suitcase full of wine. ABBA, winner takes it all. People were dying. Front page of the Daily Mail. He was as agile as a cat. As a what? As a cat? Boris Johnson just drinks at the end of a difficult day. He's a fucking... When he was asked, would you say, if someone asked you when you were standing on that podium, when you were doing those things to the nation, and someone said, can we have a party, a leavings do? What would you say? He said yesterday. He'd go, yeah, as long as you... Tory Times of London fighting for his future. He got no fucking... Boris, hand on heart. He ain't got a fucking heart. I didn't lie. He swore an oath to God. God's up there thinking, what the fuck? Don't believe him. He's a liar. Fuck's sake. Look. Yeah, but... He fucking smashes... Flimsy. Honest to God, they told me, my advisors, it was my... Look, they've gone for like the biggest whopper ever. My advisors, look, he's lying. He's lying. He's lying to all of our face, to the loved ones who died. He's a liar.